You know that Brett said while ago that Cooperwood, it's one thing that he is. But 2 weeks ago yesterday, we lost Daniel. Daniel was about to sleep because Daniel was already been asleep today. But the one thing Brett I told him in testimony is the fact that things could never walk. He was full, he can't walk. Never remember. The one thing I would say is that one day he will walk because he didn't practice his personal behavior, but he walked on the streets of gold. And that's what he's doing today. And he's rejoicing as well. So if we sing this song, it's Outlaw Way. How are you going to be dedicated today? This poem, it expresses the feeling that so many veterans have that we can't do it. It's really hard to put into words how you actually feel. And, most veterans, they don't want any attention. We just done our share. There's been millions of soldiers in the history of the United States that's done what we've done. We're nothing special. We just care. A soldier's Christmas. The embers rode softly, and in their dim light, I gazed round the room, and I cherished the sight. My wife was asleep, her head on my chest, my children beside me, and collected rest. Outside the snow field, blanket of white, transforming the yard to the winter's delight. The sparkling lights in the tree, I believe, completed that magic that was Christmas Eve. My eyelids were heavy, my breathing was deep, secure and surrounded by love I would sleep. In perfect contentment, or so it would seem, so I slumbered perhaps, started to dream. The sound wasn't loud, it wasn't too near, but I opened my eyes when it tickled my ear. Perhaps a call, I don't quite know. Then the sure sounds of footsteps outside in the snow. My soul gave a tremble, I struggled to hear, and I crept to the door just to see who was near. Standing in the cold and the dark of the night, a long figure stood, his face weary and tired. A soldier, I puzzled, some 20 years old, huddled out there in the cold, a Alone in the dark, he looked up and smiled, standing watch over me, my wife, and my child. "What are you doing?" I asked without fear. "Come in this moment. It's freezing out here. Put down your pack, brush the snow from your sleeve. You should be at home on a cold Christmas Eve." For barely a moment I saw his eyes shift, away from the cold and the snow blowing in drips, to the window that danced with a warm firelight. Then he sighed and he said, "It's really all right. I'm not here by choice. I'm here every night. It's my duty to stand at the front of the lines that separates you from the darkest of times. No one had to ask or beg or implore me. I stand proud here like my fathers before me. My gramps died at Pearl on the day in December." Then he sang, "That's a Christmas Gram always remembers. My dad stood watch in the jungles of mail, and now it's my turn. So here I am." I've not seen Mom's son in more than a while, but my wife sends me pictures. He sure got her smile. Then he bent and he carefully pulled from his bag with red, white, and blue an American flag. I can live through the cold and the being alone, away from my family, my house, and my home. I can stand in my post through the rain and the sleet. I can sleep in a foxhole with little food. I can carry the weight of killing another, or lay down my life with my sisters and brothers, who stand at the front against any and all to ensure for all time this flag will not fall. So go back inside," he said. "Harbor no pride. Your family is waiting and I'll be all right. But isn't there something I can do at the least? Give you money?" I asked her. "Prepare a feast? It seems all too little for all that you've done, for being away from your wife and your son." Then his eyes welled a tear that held no regrets. "Just tell us you love us and never forget to fight for our rights back home while we're gone, to stand your old watch no matter how long. For when we come home, either standing or dead, to remember you remember we fought and we bled. Is payment enough? And with that we will trust that you mattered to us as we mattered. That we mattered to you as you mattered to us." Thank you. Sorry, I made you late.
Jesus.